How to install APK files on PC. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download APK files on your PC. For this, you will need to download BlueStacks on your PC. So go ahead and search for BlueStacks on your web server. And once you find BlueStacks download, just go ahead and open the link and download the installation file from here. And once you open the installation file, it will start downloading the application on your PC. Once you have downloaded your BlueStacks, you can just go ahead and click on the app player to open up your app player like this. Now, all you have to do here is toggle this sidebar right here. You can press Ctrl-Shift-B to toggle the sidebar, or there is a shortcut to choose a file directly. So you can also tap on this APK plus. As you can see, the shortcut is Ctrl-Shift-B. Just click on it to open up a file. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click on my downloads. So here is the APK file right here. I'm just going to open it, this file. And once you try to open it, as you can see, this is starting to install the app. And once the installation is complete, it will be downloaded on your PC and you can use it through the BlueStacks app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.